Hello, IT here again. And if this is your first time you are seeing me, I'm helping folks just like you succeed in the online space through digital marketing trainings. And this is the next video in this series. And if you have missed the first few videos, then click the link in the description and you will be started on the first video in this series. And also, if you haven't gotten started with us yet, please go to isabellafthatcher.com to get started and finally say goodbye to that boss and get your financial freedom you're looking for. Also, please, guys, like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I go live on my channel. It'll really help me out a lot. I appreciate it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you get a sale in your digital marketing business. But first, let's recap what I've showed you so far. We talked about what you get when you partner with me, the all $15,000 value that you get with our all-in-one marketing system, all in an app. We talked about downloading the app and how it works. And we talked about what you actually do in about 1 to 2 hours a day from your phone, from anywhere to work your business online. And the action takers will get this done within their first few days. And once again, you cannot binge watch this like Netflix. It does not work that way. You watch a video, learn from the video, and do what it says to do in that video. It can't be any more simpler than that, guys. Seriously, this is too easy. And if you want to get more results, then you take more action. Action cures fear. We have the proven model, the proven content to clone, and all you do is share your link the way we show you and went online. And then we talked about the DM formula where we actually tell you what to say to your leads when they comment on your posts and ask you questions and close the sales. That brings us to this section here where we show you what to do next. First, you watch the overview video, and then you go to the next video for what to send your new members. This is showing how you get your new members, to this very training and marketing system where they will learn how to download the app and go through the same steps that you went through. This system is easy and duplicatable. Your new members will get the sales and so on and so on. So this video will show you that when you get that email that says you made a sale, you have a new member on your team. In that video, we'll have your new member's name and email, and you click their email, and then you copy, and you send this email below this video to them, and they will have the same training site so they can get going and do the same thing. It's as easy as that. No worrying about how to explain things or show them what they need to do. It's all explained to them here in this free, easy digital marketing system, which is also in an app, exclusive to the funnel team when you partner with me today. And another thing you do when you get a new member is where to place your member. Yes, there is a strategy that when you place your members in the specific way, you will optimize the compensation plan and get the most amount of money possible. You could earn from the spillover members that were placed below you that you didn't personally sponsor, and that will exponentially increase your income, and it's based on volume. And we will walk you through this step by step so you can maximize this income. So if you have not gotten started or you don't understand the value you're getting, let me remind you what you will get when you partner with me today by going to isabellafthatcher.com. Select which membership level that best works for you, and you will immediately get our done-for-you marketing system. All the funnels, the email follow-ups done for you, available as soon as you partner with me. You don't have to buy them separately. No, we don't do that. We're going to train your members, and you're going to get everything you need to run your business. And of course, what we do works. Members have come on our team and made 10 or more sales. People just like you from all backgrounds and educations. And if they could do it, of course, so can you. And don't forget that when you get in, we send traffic to your link depending on what level that you come in at. You can get between 1 and 15 spots in the rotator to lock in the extra chances to get those sales and commissions. And remember, you also get 3 free courses that come with your membership and will help you crush it online. You got this. Yes, you can do this. Just go to isabellafthatcher.com now and start.
Since joining with the funnel team, I get to secure myself multiple sales each and every week and earn myself weekly paychecks every single Friday like clockwork.
I've made $820 today and it's barely 11:30 my time. If you are serious about having an at-home business that pays you really well, start right now with the funnel team.
Work full-time right here from home, making 5 figures per month, all because of this team and system.
Because of the funnel team's free training, I was able to jump right in and start making weekly paychecks.
I was able to acquire over $400 worth of sales, all while at my 9 to 5 9-to-5 job as a third grade teacher.
Funnel team system is a very easy system to follow, and you only have 1 to 2 hours a day to do. People are making full-time income with this.
The fact that I get to do this for moms who are just like me is worth more than any money that I could ever make.
I was able to generate 30 sales within my first 2 weeks. You're looking for a community that has your back, the Funnel Team is the place to be.